Go.
How are you doing today, sir? I am sorry about that. You have a wonderful day.
You good? Yeah. Shit. I say we bounce because I don't.
Sorry about that. What's that loud? Have a good day. Merry Christmas.
Go. Go.
How are you doing today, sir? I love your golf skills, sir. How are you doing today, sir? You like that, sir? Hey, sir, was that pretty loud? Did we scare you? All right, have a good day.
Go.
Sorry about that. Merry Christmas.
I'm good whenever you want.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
Go ahead.
How you doing today, sir? That's a lovely dog you got there, sir. Beautiful dog. Just look at it, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
I bet.
Right. Go.
Sorry about that.
Like that shit.
So check it out on YouTube, alright? I'll be up in a couple days.
Do it again. He said do it again.
Do it again? Alright, here we go. Sorry about that. Merry Christmas.
You good? Right in the middle of the headlights, right? I'm ready. I don't know where it came from.
Sorry about that. Double tap. Have a good day. Sorry about that.
Go. Big as these dudes right here, right? And go.
Shit, motherfucker.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Hold on. There's gonna be multiple.
That was good. They already know what's up, dude. The guy in the cart's all looking, zoom on his face. That was good.
Holy fuck!
Hey, sir, calm down, alright?
Don't fucking tell me to calm down, bitch!
You know what?
What?
Hey, go make me some tamales, alright?
I